In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Google Drive files. By the end, you'll know exactly how to clear out old documents, tidy up your storage, and keep your workspace focused on what matters most. Start by opening any Google page in your browser. Look to the top right corner and click the Google Apps icon, the small grid of dots. This opens a menu of Google services. From there, click Drive to launch Google Drive. If you're already in Drive, you're good to go. Next, locate the specific file you want to remove. You can scroll through your folders, sort by name or last modified, or use the search bar at the top to quickly find it by name or file type. Take a moment to confirm it's the exact file you intend to delete, especially if there are multiple versions or similarly named items. Once you've found it, hover your mouse over the file name to reveal more options, or select the file so its toolbar appears. Click the three vertical dots, often labeled More Actions. This opens a menu with file options. Choose Move to Bin. Depending on your region or interface, it may simply say Remove, but the result is the same. The file is sent to the bin and removed from your main Drive view. You might see a small confirmation message at the bottom of the screen. That's your sign the file is no longer in your folders or search results. If you accidentally clicked the wrong item, that message usually includes an undo option you can press right away to reverse the action. A quick note about what Move to Bin means. The file isn't permanently erased immediately. It's placed in the bin, where it's kept temporarily before being auto-removed after a set period. This safety net helps prevent accidental loss. If you change your mind later, you can open the bin and restore the file back to its original location. If it's a shared file that you don't own, removing it from your drive simply takes it out of your view. It doesn't delete the owner's copy. To recap, open Google Apps, click Drive, find the file you want to remove, click the three dots and choose Move to Bin. That's all it takes to keep your Google Drive clean and organized. Taking a moment to verify the file before you remove it will save you time, and using search and sorting can make finding what you need much faster. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.